Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the dust bag on your iRobot. This is the Roomba Combo 2 Essential. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get that vacuum bag changed. First thing we have to do is open up the top of our station here, and that reveals our vacuum bag. Grab the handle up there and then just gently pull to remove, discard your old bag, and then you can install your new vacuum bag here. Line everything up, and then just drop it right down in place. There you go. It's that simple. If for some reason you forget, don't worry. In the future, they have a nice built-in instruction guide for you at the top of the station. But that's all you have to do, and you shouldn't have to do that more than every couple of months, depending on how often you run it and how dirty your house is.